Hi everyone, we're excited to introduce Belli, delicious plant-based whole-cut pork. We help health-conscious consumers eat less red meat by offering mouth-watering whole-cut meat alternatives with transparent processing, starting with pork belly. This is because current alt meats mimic ground and processed meat. There's an unmet need for products that imitate whole-cut meats like fillets or steaks. And we're seeing a huge push towards this area of research with millions in dollars in funding for innovation.
We've also seen a combination of economic, ethical, environmental, and nutritional factors, which point to this being a perfect time specifically for a plant-based pork product to enter the market. Just like pork belly, our challenge comes in layers. First, meat and fat have distinctly different microstructures and therefore different cooking and texture properties. Secondly, structured fat is an industry-wide challenge with huge potential for market impact. Third, connecting two phases securely in one product, especially when oil is hydrophobic, is notoriously difficult. And we went above and beyond by tackling all three in this challenge. We are confident our technology is defensible on the basis of our processing and formulas.
Speaking of, we struggled prototyping from online recipes that used wheat starch. While the appearance was nice, their textures were gummy and uniform. Industry advisors agreed these were just soggy starch crackers that you fry up. And current vegan bacons do this and just color one of the sections red. Nothing had renderable plant-based oils that stayed as solid fat. There needed to be a better way. So while Kelly tested structured fat at Berkeley, I tested plant-based binders and emulsifiers at home. Please enjoy this sampling reel.
2 to 3% carboxymethylcellulose, 2% gel gum LT100. This is 2% carboxymethylcellulose and 2% iota carrageenan by weight. This is 1% microcrystalline cellulose and 1% gel gum LT100. It's still slightly thick. That's thick! It's extremely thick. It's very creamy. Yeah, it's not that thick. It tastes like a liquid bean.
Between all this testing, our whole team also got vaccinated. And once we all got COVID immunity, we met up in person for a final combination of all our ideas. We started with a new proprietary assembly method that incorporated the fat composition Kelly created. Our lean meat had long, thin muscle striations and our fat rendered. From this, we had distinct sections with different tastes and properties. It brazes, picks up marinades, and was actually juicy. It's a culmination of our semester.
Currently, California consumes about 13% of the total U.S. share of pork. Couple this with strict upcoming state regulations on pork production, and we can expect an upward tick in pork prices. And honestly, competition is minimal right now. Currently, there's nothing usable for Asian dishes such as banh mi, Korean barbecue, and more. We're proud to say we are breaking new ground with our product. Here's our formula for the most recent prototype. As you can see, Belli provides significantly less fat than real pork. And we can produce a kilogram of Belli at just $1.32, leading to a $4.20 retail price, with opportunity to reduce costs further when we scale up. We're looking to sell B2C and at retail locations to capture more market share. And you can imagine how Belli would be very distinctive amongst all of the vegan ground meats at the supermarket. We're asking for $1 million for our first year research and development, and in the upcoming months, we'd like to file for provisional patents, find suppliers, partnerships, manufacturers, and then pilot launch at local Asian markets for feedback before scaling production way up. Our team has been working with the AltMeat lab for over a year now with grants from the UC Berkeley Makerspace and entry into Citrus Foundry Incubator. All in all, we think our product is very special, and we can't wait for you all to try it. Thanks for listening, and Kelly, take it away.